All right, here's a quick review of the Sunpow plastic welder, staple stitcher, whatever you want to call it, off of Amazon. Comes with 3 different kinds of staples, 1,000 quantity each. So I'm working on my John Deere 6300, and when we were brush cutting, we backed into a tree here this spring, cracking the fender. You can see it's pretty well cracked up. I started stitching this together. I'll continue to stitch it up and we'll see how it goes. All right, here we are most of the way through. I found these wavy staples to be working the best. As you can see, they just go right on there. I'll try and show you one here. You press the trigger, it starts melting in. As soon as you're melted into the plastic, you release the trigger, allow it to cool, and then you pull out, leaving the staple holding plastic. All right, here we are with it all stitched up. You can see, grab onto the fender. It's back to its original structural integrity, sure seems anyway. So now I'm going to take the angle grinder and just buzz all that smooth again and hopefully not ding up the fender too bad. All right, here we are after the angle grinder. See, it kind of scuffed up the paint or the surface a little bit. It isn't the perfect auto body finish here. So either I can try and buff that out further. I'm thinking I might try and take a little LP torch and just kind of smooth it out with the flame a little bit. We'll see how that works.